This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Today, we are exploring a hidden goldmine that exists in almost every woodworking workshop: scrap wood. Those leftover pieces, offcuts, and fragments that might appear useless at first glance actually hold immense potential. With a creative eye and some practical knowledge, what seems like waste can be transformed into beautiful, functional, and highly profitable crafts that buyers love. Every small fragment of wood tells a story and offers an opportunity, whether it's to make a charming decorative piece, a functional household item, or a unique gift that someone is willing to pay for. The purpose of this video is to show you how to recognize the potential in your scraps, how to design products that maximize both aesthetic appeal and value, and how to market them effectively so that each piece you craft contributes to a steady stream of income. Even the smallest scrap can become a valuable asset when approached with imagination and strategy. The first step in turning scrap wood into profitable crafts is learning to see potential in pieces that would otherwise be discarded. Scrap comes in many forms, from small offcuts left over from larger projects to irregular planks, broken furniture pieces, or edges trimmed from cutting boards. At first glance, these might appear inconvenient or unusable, but with a thoughtful approach, they can be transformed into products that sell well. Organizing scraps by size, thickness, and type of wood is essential. Hardwood pieces like oak, maple, or walnut can be turned into premium products, while softer woods can be ideal for painted or decorative items. Sorting scraps allows you to quickly match materials to the right projects, saving time and increasing efficiency. Small scraps can be surprisingly versatile. They can become functional or decorative items such as coasters, mini planters, wall hooks, or decorative magnets. Even tiny triangular or oddly shaped pieces can be incorporated into intricate designs or combined with other scraps to form sets that are more visually appealing. The key is to think creatively and consider what buyers are looking for in unique, handcrafted items. By sanding, finishing, and adding details such as engraving, painting, or resin inlays, these small pieces can be elevated into highly desirable products. By producing sets of small items rather than individual pieces, you increase the perceived value and can sell for higher prices while keeping material costs minimal. Medium-sized scraps open the door to creating functional home decor and furniture. Floating shelves, small tables, benches, and cutting boards are perfect examples of what can be made from leftover wood. Combining different pieces in a creative way, for instance by alternating colors or grain patterns, results in visually striking products that often command premium prices. Decorative signs, engraved with names, quotes, or seasonal messages, appeal to buyers looking for personalized or giftable items. Even irregular pieces can be turned into artistic compositions that buyers perceive as one of a kind. The charm of reclaimed or scrap wood is often in its imperfections, knots, and grain patterns, which add character and uniqueness to the final product. Finishing is crucial to achieve a professional look, with sanding, staining, or sealing transforming rough fragments into polished items that appear high-end. Marketing scrap wood products effectively is as important as crafting them. Highlighting the story behind each piece, its origin as a reclaimed fragment transformed into something beautiful, can create an emotional connection with buyers. Platforms such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade are ideal for reaching customers who appreciate handcrafted and eco-friendly items. Social media channels like Instagram and TikTok allow you to showcase your creative process, demonstrating the transformation from scrap to finished product and attracting a following of engaged buyers. Local craft fairs, gift shops, and community markets are also excellent ways to connect directly with customers, allowing them to see and feel the quality of your work while providing immediate feedback and potential repeat sales. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for products that are unique, sustainable, and handcrafted with care. Pricing should reflect both the skill involved and the perceived value of the item, rather than simply the cost of materials. Because scrap wood is low cost or even free, profit margins are inherently high. Small items such as coasters, magnets, or key holders can be sold in sets for prices ranging from $15 to $25, generating impressive returns relative to material costs. Medium-sized products, like cutting boards, shelves, or decorative signs, can be priced from $30 to $80 depending on complexity, customization, and finishing. Larger projects such as small tables, benches, or combination pieces made from multiple scraps can reach $100 to $200 or more, especially if they are marketed as limited or one-of-a-kind pieces. By thoughtfully balancing affordability for buyers with compensation for your time and craftsmanship, scrapwood crafting can become a highly profitable and sustainable business. Creating a consistent workflow is essential to maintaining productivity and maximizing profits. Keeping scraps organized, having a dedicated area for sanding, finishing, and assembly, and developing a repeatable production process all contribute to efficiency. By producing multiple items at once, you reduce the time spent on individual projects and increase output. High-quality photography and product presentation are equally critical. Capturing the textures, colors, and craftsmanship of your items in images and videos can make a significant difference in sales, especially for online marketplaces where customers rely on visuals to make purchasing decisions. Storytelling through social media posts or product descriptions, emphasizing the repurposed nature of the wood and the care invested in each item, further enhances appeal and buyer engagement. As your skills and reputation grow, you can expand your product line, introducing larger pieces, more complex designs, and even customized sets. The diversity of offerings allows you to reach multiple customer segments and keeps your work fresh and appealing. Seasonal products, gift sets, and themed decor can provide additional income streams, while personalized engraving, wood burning, or painted designs create a premium for customers seeking unique, customized items. Over time, your creations can develop a recognizable style, attracting loyal buyers who appreciate your aesthetic and craftsmanship. Financially, scrapwood crafting offers a low-risk path to steady income. The primary investment is your time and skill, while material costs are minimal. Profit margins are high, and even modest production can generate supplemental income. By reinvesting profits into tools, finishes, or marketing, you can gradually scale your operations, producing more complex or higher-ticket items, and potentially turning a small workshop hobby into a full-fledged business. The combination of creativity, sustainability, and financial viability makes scrapwood crafting not only rewarding but also a smart entrepreneurial pursuit. The appeal of scrapwood crafts lies not just in affordability and profit but also in sustainability. Buyers increasingly value eco-friendly practices, and items made from reclaimed wood resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. By demonstrating that you are transforming waste into beauty, you attract a clientele that appreciates responsible craftsmanship. Sharing your process through videos, photos, or stories builds a connection with buyers, encouraging repeat purchases and enhancing the perceived value of your products. Every piece tells a story of transformation, creativity, and care, making your offerings more than just items. They become meaningful, artful additions to someone's home. Over time, developing a signature style in scrapwood projects can further enhance profitability. Whether it's a particular finishing technique, unique combination of wood types, or a recognizable pattern in small pieces, having a consistent aesthetic helps differentiate your products in a crowded market. Buyers begin to seek out your work specifically, trusting that each item embodies quality, creativity, and attention to detail. As your brand grows, opportunities to collaborate with local stores, sell wholesale, or expand into online marketplaces increase, making the business model scalable and sustainable. Ultimately, turning scrapwood into profitable crafts is an exercise in vision, creativity, and careful planning. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.